video, I am going to teach you about the absolute value of numbers, or how to get the absolute value of numbers and even expressions. Simple expressions lang, okay? First, let's define absolute value. Absolute value is the distance of a number from 0 on a number line. The absolute value of an integer x is written as like this. No. The absolute value of an integer x is written as this. So you need to remember when you saw this sign, these two straight lines beside a number or beside a certain expression, meaning you are getting the absolute value of that number or of that expression, okay? Since the absolute value refers to a distance or units lang kasi ang kinukuha natin dito sa number line, it means it is always positive. So the absolute value is always positive, okay? So let's find the absolute value of numbers using a number line. Numbers muna, okay? So let's say we will find the absolute value of say negative 10. Okay? What is the absolute value of negative 10? Using a number line, okay, this is an example of a number line, and I am so sorry if it will turn out messy, okay, or not so straight. So this is the number line, okay? Sa number line po, we have here the positive and negative integers, okay? So I'm going to fill in this number line here. So let's say dito yung 0, and then sa right side, of course, dyan yung mga positive numbers. Okay, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, let's say. And then dito sa left side, dun yung mga negative numbers. So, di ata kasya. So, we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 here, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, 8, 9, and 10. Negative 8, negative 9, and negative 10. So, of course, we will be getting the absolute value of negative 10. So, we will get the distance of negative 10 from 0. Kasi distance or yung units. Okay? So, ilan kaya yung units ni negative 10 from 0? So, coming from here, this is always your starting point, okay? Punta tayo doon sa negative 10. Ilang units kaya yon? So, 1, 2, 3, I'm so sorry. Kung paling-paling, no? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, how many units is that? So, 10. So, the distance between negative 10 and 0 is 10. So, therefore, the absolute value is negative 10 is 10. Okay? So, magiging lang po siyang positive. Absolute value is always positive. Another example, let's say we have the absolute value of 5. Yan, we will be getting the absolute value of 5. So, starting again from 0, we will go to 5 sa number line. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many units is that? 5. Oh, therefore, the absolute value is 5. Of 5 is 5. Kasi, yun nga yung distance niya coming from 0. 5 units. So, therefore, 5 yung answer. Absolute value is always positive. Yun lang ang natandaan nyo. Wala akong makikitang sagot na negative sa absolute value kasi nga sinabi na po dito, since absolute value refers to distance, meaning we are just counting the units, no? Meaning, it is always positive. Yun yung absolute na rule. rule sa absolute values. Okay? And then, how about kapag naman mga expressions? Let's say we will be getting the absolute value of this expression. Paano kung nagkaroon na ng operation sa loob? Let's say 0 minus 6. Then we will be getting the absolute value of 0 minus 6. How do we get that? Of course, para lang po yan tayo nagsasolve nun sa PEMDAS. Para lang isipin nyo siya parentheses. We will first solve the expression inside the parentheses or the absolute value na symbol. Okay? So, if we will solve this, okay, so 0 minus 6, the answer is negative 6, diba? What is the absolute value of negative 6? That is 6. Positive 6. Okay, ganun lang po siya kadali. And then, number 2. Let's say we have the absolute value of 5 minus 3. We will solve first for the difference of 5 and 3. No? 5 minus 3, that is 2. What is the absolute value of 2? 2. Simple as that. How about number 3? Ito. Magkakaroon ng difference. So, negative absolute value of negative 2 squared. So, in this part, ang una po natin gagawin, so I'm going to move this kasi hindi natin makikita yung solution. Ang una po natin gagawin dito is sasolvin muna natin itong absolute value. Tsaka na yung mga numbers or mga functions sa labas. Okay? Tsaka na natin i-square, tsaka na natin i-negative. Okay? Yung answer. Basta the only thing that you need first is to find the absolute value of negative 2. Ano ba ang absolute value ni negative 2? Of course, 2. So, negative, of course, talagyan natin ng parentheses, ano? Kasi na-solve na natin to. Of course, 2 yung absolute value ni negative 2, di ba? Tsaka natin i-square. Okay? PEMDAS po, no? Solvein muna natin yung exponent bago i-multiply dito sa sign. So, 2 squared, ilan yon? Negative. 2 squared, that is 4. Negative times 4, that is negative 4. The answer now here is negative 4. Even though absolute value yung kinukuha natin, nagka-problema kasi dito, may sign pa na negative sa labas ng absolute value. And doon, magugulo ang lahat. So, let's say we have this example na lang. No? I'm going to give you this, let's say. Ayan. Ayan, negative absolute value of negative 7. Ayan, ang absolute value ng negative 7 is 7. Okay? 7, positive 7. Pero nagkaroon ng negative sa harap. Therefore, negative 7 yung sagot. Kasi even though na positive yung absolute value niya, i-multiply mo naman siya sa negative sign. O therefore, magiging negative yung sign niya in the end. Ganun lang yung mangyayari. And then, let's say we have example number 5. No? Let's say we will get the absolute value of 2 plus 3 quantity negative 4. Ayan. So if you can see parentheses, the operation po na gagamitin doon is multiplication. Okay? Paulit-ulit kong pinapaalala sa mga students ko, even last year. Okay? Hindi na lang yung symbol na yan yung gagamitin sa multiplication. Pwedeng yung malaking period, pwede din parentheses. All of that represents multiplication or indicates multiplication. Okay? So here, solvein po muna natin yung expression sa loob. So 2 plus 3 times negative 4. Bali, ganun yung mangyayari. So, of course, mag-multiply muna tayo, no? Plus 3 times negative 4. The answer is negative 12. Okay? Maglagay po ng parentheses so that hindi kayo ma-confuse sa mga signs and then operational signs. Kasi kapag sinulat natin na 2 plus negative 12, pangit kung tingnan or it's not pleasant to solve, something like this. Kaya naglalagay tayo ng parentheses. Okay? So now here, we have 2 plus negative 12 naman. The answer is negative 10. Okay? Now, what is the absolute value of negative 10? The answer is 10. Ayun na yan. Then last example. Let's say we have, ayan. Say we have this example. So the technique here is ihiwalay niyo na agad yung absolute value. Ayan. Ayan yung absolute value. So absolute value of negative times negative 2. So automatic ang lalabas kasi dyan is positive kasi absolute value yan. So ang matitira na lang is ito. Ang answer dito ay positive. Of course, kasi absolute value nitong nasa loob, positive yan. And then, negative times 2, the answer will be negative 2. Ganun lang yung mangyayari. Huwag kayong malito sa mga grouping symbols. Okay? Huwag kayong masyadong papaka-stress or malito. Kasi kapag nalito kayo, lalo kayong maguguluhan. You will not come up with the answer. So that's how you get the absolute value of numbers and even simple expressions.